Hey everyone, if your Wells Fargo app on iPhone suddenly shows account restricted, don't panic. This is obtained a bug, not a actual restriction. Let me explain why this happens in simple steps. First, app glitch after updates. One of the top reasons is a recent Wells Fargo app update. Sometimes the update doesn't load account data correctly and the app mistakenly displays account restricted. Second, server sync error. If Wells Fargo servers are slow or temporarily overloaded, the app may fail to detect your correct account status. Instead of showing your balance, it defaults to false restriction alert. Third, login season corruption. When your saved login season breaks, like after an iPhone restart or network switch, the app may think your season is invalid. That triggers the account restricted message, even though your account is fine. Fourth, network or VPN interference. If you are using a VPN, ad blocker, or switching Wi-Fi networks, the Wells Fargo app may detect unusual activity. Instead of asking you to relogin, it sometimes shows this incorrect restriction bug. Fifth, app fails to load security permissions. The app checks security setting each time you log in. If the app can't load your identity verification details due to a glitch, it shows the restricted message by mistake. Sixth, temporary backend maintenance. When Wells Fargo is doing behind-the-scenes maintenance, some accounts may temporarily appear restricted inside the app. This isn't a real restriction, it's just a display error. Seventh, cached data misreading. Sometimes old cached or saved data from the previous version of the app get mixed with new data. This causes the app to misread your account status and shows the wrong warning. And that's the simple explanation behind the Wells Fargo account restricted bug on iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.